What follows is a powerful guided meditation to help you release anxiety and stress from both your body and mind and enter a space of deep relaxation. It is taken from the book Illusions on the Path by Stan B. Martin and is narrated by Yeshe Rabgye from Buddhism Guide. For best results, find a safe, private space to follow this meditation. Lie down on your back on a bed or on a mat on the floor. You can place cushions under your knees and head for more support. Ensure all external distractions are minimized and you are undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. A bell marks the start and end of this practice.
Set your body in a comfortable posture, lying down on your back. Ensure your arms are at your side, with your palms open and facing up. Gently close your eyes and bring your focus to the inhalation and exhalation of your breath. As you breathe in, imagine bright, relaxing light entering and filling your body. As you breathe out, imagine all tension and heaviness expelling from your body in the form of dark smoke. Take 3 deep breaths in this way. Gently bring your attention to the sensation of being supported or cradled by the earth beneath you. Feel your whole body becoming held. Continue to notice the rise and fall of the breath as you feel the weight, pressure and vibration of your physical mass. Just allow the breath to naturally flow. Let go of the need to control. Leave it as it is. As you notice the sensations in your body, you enter gently into the present moment. Slowly shift your attention to your feet. Focus on the sensations in your toes. The arches of your feet. The soles. And your heels. Don't think this is this or that is that. Just feel the experience purely and openly. As you breathe in, relax and soften your feet. As you breathe out, release any tension and let go. Gently move your attention to your lower legs. Focus on the sensations in your ankles, your calf muscles, your shins, your knees. Open to the experience of your lower legs. As you breathe in, relax and soften this area. And as you breathe out, release and let go. Gently move your attention to your upper legs. Focus on the sensations in your thighs, your hips, and your backside. Open to the experience of your upper legs. As you breathe in, relax and soften this area. As you breathe out, release and let go. Expand your attention slowly to the whole of your legs, from your hips down to your toes. Breathe in and relax. Breathe out and let go. Gently move your attention to your stomach area. Focus on the sensations in your abdomen, your lower back, your chest, your upper back, and your shoulders. As you breathe in, relax and soften this area. And as you breathe out, release and let go. Expand your attention to the whole of your upper trunk. Experience the sensations along the length of your spine. Breathe in and relax. Breathe out and let go. Gently move your attention to your upper arms. Focus on the sensations in your biceps, your forearms, your wrists, and your hands. As you breathe in, relax and soften this area. As you breathe out, release and let go. Expand your attention to the whole of your arms. Experience the sensations from your shoulders down to your fingertips. Breathe in and relax. Breathe out and let go. Gently move your attention to your neck. Focus on the sensations in your neck and your throat up into your head. Shift your attention to your facial muscles, your eyes, your forehead and temples. Move down to the back of your neck and to the crown of your head. Breathe in and relax. Breathe out and let go. Gently expand your attention to the sensations of the whole of your body. Come back to the feeling of being supported and held by the earth. Notice the rise and fall of the breath as you feel the weight, pressure and sensation of your physical mass. Slowly open your awareness to the sensations of the environment around you. Gently open your eyes and relax.